work for international programs at school management at Fudan University. This year we have a theme of Innovative China and Digital Entrepreneurship. And we're very excited that we already have 54 students joining us, coming from 22 different countries and regions, representing the local business expats and also the partner schools all around the world. We are taking them to company visits such as Tencent, Alibaba headquartered in Hangzhou, Fudan University, and also Anlai coming.
Over the last 2 weeks, we've attended a number of different companies and learned about how they are run, whilst also learning about the economy in China and how businesses are run in China for multinationals as well as local businesses. The experience has been invaluable for me. I'm doing a degree in Chinese and international business, so this has really helped to further my knowledge, and I've had a great time over the last 2 weeks.
I found out about the Beyond program through GoEast Language Center, which is a Chinese language school that I've been taking classes at for the past 2 years. We had a number of guest lecturers who have a lot of experience in China, and we were also able to visit a lot of interesting companies such as Alibaba in Hangzhou and Tencent WeStar. Last night we had a networking dinner with a range of Fudan MBA students, which was very interesting, and it gave us an opportunity to meet some of the local business students in Shanghai.
About innovation and entrepreneurship in China, and we had so many classes with amazing professors about just Chinese market and how it's growing. And people here, they are amazing in Shanghai. The city is beautiful. You have to visit many places when you came here.
I think this program is really cool. It gathers around 22 different countries around the world, and I can meet so many people here.
And today was the final session. We got all the group presentations. It was really amazing. Like, I talk about Ant Financial, which is one of the biggest fintech here in China and also in the world. And we also just got our final certificate, and it was such a great experience.
Right, you want an ending or?
No, that's fine.